Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the Touch ID function on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then tap on General, and in the General section click on the first option, Use Touch ID. So now this function has been turned on. If you want to turn it off anytime, just simply click on the relevant button and press the button yes. So that's how you can turn on this function. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.